In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in Blynk. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to dashboards over here on the left-hand side, and then you want to click on plus create dashboard. And then your dashboard, as you can see here, is going to get created. You can give it a name up here, so I'm just going to name it tutorial. There we go. And then over here, you can see there's a bunch of different settings you have. You can go ahead and set different controls, sliders over here. So we can see like a bunch of different things are actually going on over here. And you can actually select these and drag and drop them directly inside your widgets. Okay. So you can do that. And then you also have some of these which actually do require upgrades, but some of them are still going to be free. So of course, you can just create your dashboard. You can make it however you want it to be. You can make it as big as you want. You can basically customize it according to your own preference, and then you also have the ability to basically go ahead and change the data source, access, and then the default date as well. And when you are ready, click on the save button up top right, and as you can see here, it says the dashboard has been successfully created. And if I go to dashboards again, and if I go here and dashboards, there we go. As you can see, here's now my created dashboard. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.